I just want to get a couple quick shots. I'm not doing nothing crazy today. I just got some free time. Just want to get a couple quick shots. I got this OTF blade. I want to get some shots of it. I just want to put some content together for Instagram. I think I'm going to use my 24 mil for this. Man, I've shot multiple music videos in this location. It's pretty cool. You know, there's a lot of little nooks and crannies all through here, underneath the bridge, on the side of the building. Man, we got kicked out of here by the cops, of course. That always tends to happen. What are you gonna do, right? I just want to test this camera, make sure everything is set. Let me set this to manual. I got this fly-ass bracelet, this cool little OTF knife, some dope kicks, everything matches. That's the point of these. So I'm gonna get some shots of that, see what I could come up with. So this is where I shot a lot of videos, man. I actually shot some stuff for some other guys around here too. We were down in that little crevice over there in the bottom of the bridge. Not gonna shoot over there right now. I just don't really think it's gonna fit the vibe. I gotta make sure my car is good. More importantly, we shot Sábado Gigante over there in that spot. Cops kicked us out of there. I shot a music video. You know what, man? Let me just take y'all over there. You can check it out. I mean, it is kind of cool. It's like these cool little stairs. I am gonna shoot on the stairs, just not in this location. So down in there, you wanna have an idea. I definitely wanna shoot another video down there. I haven't shot that video in a while, and I don't even think the dudes that were in that video are really doing much anymore. I should probably just shoot another video in that location, man. I don't think it would be that bad of an idea. I mean, it's been a while since I shot that video, so I really think I should just consider that for another video that we do. We'll see what happens. Man, I kind of like this spot here. Let's not drop the camera. I mean, it's not like a lot of this is gonna be in the shot. But just to give you an idea of what I'm working with here. Like, I'm literally probably gonna use like a little corner of this. And yes, it is pretty loud here too, my friend. Definitely makes for good B-roll though, right? Definitely makes for a good vibe. All right, so trying to think, as always, how should I do this? It's all about placement, right? Kind of tricky, as always, trying to get every little part of this the way I want it to be. Oh, there it is. Ooh, nice little angle. Like the way that is. I like Maybe I could get like a nice shot like that, huh? A little bit too much light in this. Man, all these spots used to be really cool to shoot music videos at, or just photos in general, but I think little by little, you're gonna see all of this just like disappear, especially being this close to downtown, being this close to everything, for that matter. Buildings like this that are like not in use, you know, like they're probably gonna be repurposed into condos. There's actually studio spaces over here, like for people like, you know, content creators like myself or other photographers, videographers and stuff. But I think eventually they're gonna take over that too, man. I think all these spots like this are gonna dwindle away little by little, man. And like, there's not gonna be anything interesting anymore to shoot at. But they're also overused as well. Like everything here is like, has been used by somebody. Like I've used it more than once. I'm pretty sure other people have used it too. It's loud as hell out here, so I think I got the shots I want, and there's a lot of stuff going on behind me, so I think I'm gonna call it quits right now. I probably should take some pictures though, just to, you know, have a documentation of it or something. I don't know. I could probably use it for something. Too many cars, man. Too many cars. Oh shit, there it goes. Go, 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 go. Nice. I don't know if this is gonna be a good shot, but I don't have a zoom lens, so it's gonna be kind of weird. Nonetheless, I got it. I'm actually using that travel size small rig that I bought, kind of like as a selfie stick. Not light, don't get me wrong, this thing ain't light. You know, my forearm is burning right now holding this thing. It's not made for that, but I mean, it's working out for that for right now, you know. Like, I gotta hold it with two hands to kind of keep it a little more steady. Yeah, shooting at these locations is fun, man. You know, you get a lot of interesting looks and a lot of interesting shots, you know. But like I said, man, a lot of this stuff is fading away or also just being overused. So we'll see what happens. Be interesting to see what the next wave is gonna look like of people that shoot content. Probably gonna have more cleaner, more modern photography and video. I don't know, we'll see.